Okay, everyone. 50 points to whoever can write the most digits of pi.
Yeah, 50 points. Let me go first, guys.
Okay, let's see how many you can get. Are you really cheating right now? Go back to your seat. You don't get the points. Joyce, come up here. You're next.
Okay.
Okay, I guess that counts. You can go back to your seat.
Okay.
All right, Lily, you're up. All right, Lily, last one. Why did you write this on the board?
This is why. 6, 5. So my answer is 3.1459265.
Wow, very impressive, Lily. You get the 50 points.
Yes! Thanks, Miss Amy!
My book!
Hey, Joyce, you alright?
I messed up my nose. It won't come off.
Ah, here. Just wait, okay? Here, use these to erase the highlighter.
Cool. It really works. Thanks, Tony.
All right, everyone, here's your test. You have until the end of the class period to complete it, okay? All right, you may begin your test, and remember, no cheating. I got you.
Oh, no, I wasn't...
No, give me your test. You should have studied beforehand. Hey, why is your phone out?
It's okay, Miss Amy. It's not even on.
No, let me see it. Make sure it stays off. All right, everyone, get started on your circles.
I can't believe I forgot my compass.
Tony, why aren't you working on the problem?
I forgot my compass at home.
You get an F for the day.
Oh, please, please, Miss Amy, please. I can't get an F.
I'm just kidding. Do you want to try using this?
Oh, yeah, that'll work.
Hey, how's it going?
Check it out, Miss Amy. It's perfect.
Nice. Hey, everyone, here's your results.
I know I passed.
A C-? I can't take this home.
Ooh, an A-?
Oh! Now I could take it home.
Good job. You can sit down now.
Okay. Oh, I'm so sorry.
My backpack! Thanks for helping me pick up my stuff, Joyce.
No problem. Oh. Ta-da!
Wow, thanks, Joyce.
You're welcome.
Because you guys were cheating, you have to write I will not cheat 50 times.
50 times. Oh, I know. We're done, Miss Amy.
So today we're talking about the Boston Tea Party. It was in 1773.
Ow! Ow, that hurt. Oh, I know what to do. This isn't soft enough. Much better.
You know you're not supposed to be eating in class.
Sorry, Miss Amy, but I'm really hungry.
No excuses.
Hey, Joyce. Are you still hungry?
Yes, but what about Miss Amy?
Don't worry about that. I know what to do.
Whoa, that's really smart.
Now Miss Amy will never know.